Hi, we're making string hoppers today. I'm in the process of making it. I have already finished making my first batch and I showed you my second batch, and I'm just gonna show you how the string hopper flour mix is made. So I'm just gonna add some string hopper flour mix. I normally used a cup of this, but no, I didn't. So let me show you with the cup. So this 1 cup, I just pour it on to this, okay, and then this is clean water. I just had this water in here, so it's mixed with the red string hopper mix, and I'm going to pour water little by little. So add some salt according to your taste, and add the water little by little and mix it. Just mixing it with this spoon. So choose the smallest hole setting,
basically.
and you take this and drop it in here, and it's gonna be good to go.
You gotta fit it in a way, though. You gotta kind of fit it in.
Okay, so that's ready, and we're gonna put in a string hopper batter. And then we're gonna put this in. So this was used once, so it has been, needs to be rewind.
Basically.
And then you close this. That's it, and then you can make the string hopper molds. I have made the string hoppers. I have put it onto the molds, so I'm going to show you how to do that. In this device, I have included the batter. It's a thick batter. I'm going to close it. And these are small holes. That's the one that I have chosen. So I am going to show you how each string hopper is made. So this is going to take the string hopper batter and make it into little noodles. So you go around once, twice,
3 times, 4 times,
and
infinitely until it stops.
thrice. That's it.
What about?
That's the string hopper. So on these I have put on oil. I've taken a can of oil and I sprayed it on. So I'm going to do another one. This is how it's done. Alright. So I'm going to show you how to stack the molds of string hoppers onto a steamer. So I keep it like this, each of them. I used this before to make the first batch. That's why you see string hopper pieces around on there. So this is my second batch of string hoppers. So you just lie it around like that, and keep stacking it up. And then I'm gonna take it. It's hot. This is my water that's boiling. Put that on top of that. And I'm gonna close it. This needs to be cooked for 3 minutes. So I'm gonna put the time on the clock. 3 minutes. Start. And it'll steam up then when it's done, and I'll show you then.